All right, what's going on, traders? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how we were able to pass an FTMO 200K challenge in just one day using our gold trading bot. And I'll take you through how we were able to achieve this in just one single day. You can see that on this 200K account, the account balance is right now at 220,000. Even though we did hit the 10% mark, we still actually have not passed it. And I'll explain to you why in just a little bit. And we're going to try and pass this account in a couple of days. So this gold trading bot has been on an absolute tear. It trades best with a lot of volatility in the markets. It is 100% automated. You can pass any prop firm, and the max stop loss is set at 1.5%. You guys are able to use it across multiple platforms, whether it's MetaTrader, DXTrade, CTrader, Match, or TradeLocker. There was a specific reason why we used the gold bot on this account to pass the challenge. We knew that there was so much volatility with gold. You could see just how much gold ran up. It actually went all the way up to the 5,500 range before plummeting all the way down. It was one of the biggest single day drops. And so we knew that during market open yesterday on Monday, we knew that there was going to be a lot of volatility with the bulls and the bears fighting and struggling to push it up or to push it further down. It happened exactly as we predicted. You can see right when it opened, it dropped another 5% before pulling all the way back up. But it happened all throughout the day, and we knew that our gold scalping bot was just going to be in and out of the markets, catching the trends of sells and buys at the same time. You can see the volatility on the 5-minute chart right now on gold, pushing down and pushing up, pushing down and pushing up. And this is exactly how our gold bot works. It actually works best during volatility. And that's how we were able to get 10% on a 200K account in just one day. However, on this FTMO account, on the two-step challenge, so the first target is 10% and then the second target is 5%. Even though we hit the 10% mark, we still did not pass it. And that is because the minimum trading days are 4 trading days. And we were able to pass it in just one single day. So right now, I'm gonna have to put in a small trade and then close it right away. So I'll just put in the smallest lot position right now, and then put in a buy. So it actually filled. Then I'm just going to close this position right away, and that is going to be my second day of trading. So you can see right here, the last trade, 62 cents. So this is now my second day of trading. And then here is the total profits. So if I go to my social trader tool, you'll be able to see here is the 200K FTMO account. This was actually the 2nd of February. So I'm just gonna refresh that right now. And now it just refreshed, and now it just shows the second day, which is today. I just put in this trade right now, which you saw. So now here is my second day. So here is the 2nd of February 2026, and now here is the 3rd of February 2026. So this is how our gold bot was able to pass this account in just one day. You can see all of the different sells that it took. Right when market opened, it just continued to drop. This was actually Friday, and then right when market opened, it actually dumped all the way to the 4,400 range. It was actually so much volatility. We do recommend that you guys are very careful when you guys are trading with this kind of volatility in the markets. And make sure you guys understand what's going on with the macro and the geopolitical news that's happening around the world. So pretty excited. So that is going to be my second day. And then tomorrow I will be putting in another 0.01 lot, and then to make it my third day. If I go to my MetaTrader 5 right here, so you're going to be able to see exactly when the trade started taking place. It actually all ended up taking place right here. You can see all of these different arrows. So all of these cells, and then right when we installed it, it was able to close out all of these trades in basically in just a couple of hours, it was able to hit this $20,000 mark. See, so here was the last trade that I just took on my phone, 0.01. Spot, it actually layers up to 3 positions before going into a stop loss. Yesterday, it was just one of those days. No stop losses were actually hit because it just took all of these sells. It just rode all of the sells, just nonstop sells. Once it started going down, and you could just see the amount of profits and the amount of trades it took, 154. And the way this bot is designed, it goes into the first layer of 0.06, and then the second layer of 0.15, and then the third layer of 0.38 before going into a stop loss. But you can see that no stop losses were actually hit yesterday. So this is how you guys can actually use the bot. We do recommend using this gold bot and taking advantage during these volatile markets with gold. It's going to be non-stop volatility with precious metals. So this is the way you guys can take advantage of using the gold bot, passing your prop firm challenge and using it while you are funded as well. So once you guys do join, you guys will have access to our trading community, and you guys will be able to get updated EA configurations whenever we make any new updates. You guys can also access our group chat, which will lead you to our Telegram group. And we made several updates this week. It was just unbelievable with what was happening with gold. So on the 28th of January, we sent out a message. Hey traders, we will need to send a new updated version of the gold. Once again, that's 4 updates in the past 2 weeks. We made 4 updates in the past 2 weeks because of the way gold has been moving. So we made adjustments to adapt to new market conditions, and you can continue to use the latest bot until we send a new EA this week. Thank you for your attention to this matter. And that was only on the 28th of January. Everyone in our group on the 28th were just buying gold. On the 28th of January, it was actually at a $5,100 range. You can see other members were using the gold bot, making these profits. Another profit right here from this member for about $1,419. It just went on, and then one of our members actually got a huge payout from FTMO for $22,000. So just a couple of days later, we said happy weekend. Hope everyone enjoyed the crazy profits from last week. As the gold price took a sharp dive on Friday, we will be sending the new bot today. Please update before using it on Monday. So we sent out another update on on the weekend, and then we installed the new bot on Monday, and that is how we were able to make profits like this, $20,000 in just one single day. So it's just been a crazy volatile week with the precious metals. Hope everyone is trading safely. We do offer other services as well. This is one of our prop firm automation accounts. This member actually made over $30,000 in payouts in the month of January. And right now in the month of Feb, he is expecting another 30,000 plus payouts. If you guys would also like to get started on your prop firm trading journey, you guys can also install the bot. We will help you and guide you with the whole installation. It can be used on any prop firm. Funded Next is another one that it can be used on. And if you guys are interested in this gold trading bot, you guys can check out all of these gold videos right here, or this one right here. I explained to you in more detail how the bot actually works. And in this video, we were able to make close to $1 million in profits using our gold trading bot. If you guys are interested, hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your automated trading journey.